Sienna made a plain cake with no words, and Hugo thought she forgot. Why did she make it plain? Write your guess in one English sentence. The bakery smelled warm in the morning. Nina put fresh bread in the window. Sienna cleaned the cake table. Hugo carried a box of apples inside.
Where do you want these?
Near the back shelf, please.
Hugo put the box down carefully. One apple rolled away.
Sienna caught it before it touched the floor.
Ah, safe. Thank you, Sienna.
On the counter was a white paper. It was a cake order.
The birthday cake is for your father, Hugo.
He feels excited. And he feels shy.
Sienna, can you finish it? Yes.
Sienna read the order. It said, "Small cake for Dad. Please make it simple." The paper was folded at the bottom. Sienna opened the fold and read the last line too.
She nodded.
I understand.
She made a small round cake.
It was light brown and soft.
She put fresh strawberries on top, but she wrote no words.
She put no sweet cream on the side.
She put the cake in a white box.
At noon, Hugo came back.
Is the cake ready?
Yes.
She opened the box. Hugo looked inside. His smile disappeared.
There is no name.
I know.
There is no happy birthday.
Yes.
And it is not very sweet.
Nina came from the oven.
What happened?
I think the cake is wrong.
Sienna stood very still.
I followed the order.
My father is coming soon. This looks unfinished.
I can show you the paper.
She reached for the order paper, but the paper was not on the counter.
It was here. Maybe it moved under the apple box.
They looked under the tray. They looked near the flour bag. They looked beside the apple box. The order was gone.
Without the paper, how can we know?
Ah, I read every line.
Ah. Her voice was quiet but clear. Hugo looked at the plain cake again. It looked kind, but it also looked too simple for a birthday. The bakery door opened. Hugo's father came in slowly.
Dad, one moment.
Hugo closed the cake box. Sienna looked near the back shelf. One apple was behind the box. Beside the apple, she saw a white corner.
Nina, look here.
Nina moved the apple box. The cake order was behind it.
Here it is.
The paper was folded at the bottom. Please read the paper. Nina, read the first lines.
Small cake. For Dad. Please make it simple.
Simple, yes. But no words?
Nina opened the folded bottom of the paper. She read the last line.
No sugar. No words, please. Dad feels shy.
The bakery became silent.
Ah, no sugar. No words.
He looked at Sienna.
You did not forget.
No. I wanted your father to feel comfortable.
Hugo's father looked at the strawberries.
His smile was small and warm.
Hugo touched the cake box.
I am sorry, Sienna. I saw a plain cake and I thought it was wrong.
It is okay.
We all need to read the last line.
Sienna opened the box again. The small cake looked calm and kind. Hugo's father nodded.
He says it is perfect.
Hugo smiled again.
Then we will take it home.
Nina put the order paper in a dry place.
Now, no order paper near the apple box.
Good rule.
The answer was this. Sienna made the cake plain because the last line asked for no sugar and no words. She did not forget. She listened carefully. Were you right? Write one English sentence in the comments. Now listen to useful words from the story. Plain cake. Plain means simple, with no extra things. Ah, order. An order is a note that says what someone wants to buy. Ah, last line. The last line is the final line on a paper. Ah, now repeat. The cake was plain. The last line. I followed the order. She listened carefully. Quick practice. Question 1. Who made the cake? Question 2. Why did the cake have no words? Question 3. When should you read the last line? If you like bakery stories, you can also watch the story where Mila visits the new bakery for the first time. What should she order?
Sienna read slowly and carefully. You can practice English the same way, one useful line at a time. The links in the description can help you continue after the video.
New slow English stories arrive every week. Subscribe so the new stories are easy to find.